Hi guys, welcome back to In Case of Econ Struggles. Today we're talking about one-to-one merging in Stata. What I've got is a slightly modified version of that auto data set we've worked with before, where I've taken out the weight and the miles per gallon variables from this data set. And I have those two variables in another data set called auto RND. And what I want is I want to put the weight and the miles per gallon from that data set onto my existing data set. So the way I'm going to do that, so I'm going to say merge, I'm going to say one-to-one, which means that a single record in my data set I'm merging is going to match to a single record in the data set that I already have. How do I identify which records match? I'm going to use that make variable. Now I'm going to say using, and then this is going to look a little different just because I need to make sure that I pull the right data set. So this is from auto RND. This is just where I'm getting the example data set. And I'm going to click enter. And you can see that we matched and we have this 74 matched where the underscore merge equals 3. What a 1 or a 2 is telling you is an observation is either in the data set you're merging on, but not in the data set you already have, or that observation is in the data you have, but not in the data set that you're merging on. So we're really looking for these 3s as much as possible. Hopefully this gives you a little more sense of how to do one-to-one merging in Stata. We'll cover the other types of merging in separate videos. If this was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week for another Sunday Stata tip here on In Case of Econ Struggles.